What's the real difference between state law and federal law? Most people know they both exist, but not how they actually work together. The truth is, America runs on a dual legal system, meaning you're governed by two levels of law at the same time, your state and the federal government. State laws handle most of everyday life, things like marriage, contracts, property, traffic violations, and most criminal offenses. Each state has its own constitution, legislature, and courts that make and enforce these rules. So what's legal in one state might be illegal in another. Federal law, on the other hand, applies to the entire country. It's based on powers given to Congress in the U.S. Constitution, like regulating interstate commerce, immigration, national defense, and civil rights. When Congress passes a law and the president signs it, that becomes part of the U.S. Code, enforced by federal agencies and federal courts. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes state and federal laws overlap or even conflict. When that happens, the Supremacy Clause of the Constitution steps in. It says that federal law is the supreme law of the land, meaning states can't pass or enforce laws that directly contradict federal ones. A famous example is Arizona versus United States, 2012, where the Supreme Court struck down parts of Arizona's immigration law because it interfered with federal immigration policy. Still, states have plenty of room to innovate. They can offer more rights than the federal Constitution requires, just not fewer. For example, some states protect privacy or voting rights more broadly than federal law does. That's why your rights and your responsibilities can look different depending on where you live. So, the next time you see two laws that seem to overlap, remember, the federal government sets the floor, but states can build the ceiling higher. That's the balance of power the framers built, and it's why our system is both complicated and resilient. Follow for more cases that define the limits of constitutional power.